Good morning, guys. It is another beautiful day at sea. The seas are still nice and calm. The winds are pretty stable. There's definitely wind, but nothing crazy. And it's still nice and warm, about 23 degrees Celsius. So we'll take it. I wasn't expecting it to stay this warm for this long. So every day that we get, t-shirt weather and warm weather, sun, it'll be a win from now on. So I'm excited for today, but a little bit bummed because there was supposed to be a painting class today. It was also arranged yesterday and it was supposed to be for the next 4 days, but now it's disappeared from the cruise planner. So I don't know whether it's been canceled completely or what happened with that, but that's a little bit of a bummer. That would have been so much fun to do a painting class on board. Those are the types of activities that I was kind of expecting for a Transatlantic, something different, something that they don't necessarily do on the normal 1 week sailings or shorter. But let's see if it pops back up in the cruise planner. Maybe there was just a case that the instructor got sick or something. So let's see if that comes back on. The first thing on today's docket will be a towel folding demonstration. They also have it tomorrow, so if I miss it today, I won't be super bummed. But that would be coming up in just about an hour here. We slept late today, so we haven't been even to breakfast or our morning walk. So let's see, we need to get our day up and running now. So let's see what all we get up to. It's Valentine's Day today, so let's see, we'll probably go for a nice romantic dinner in the evening just to celebrate a little. And then there should be a balloon drop, a Valentine's Day themed balloon drop in the evening, which we saw them putting up the balloons last night in the Royal Promenade. So that should be a lot of fun. I will definitely try to get there into the balloon shower so we can enjoy that. But let's see what else is on the calendar today. Whatever we do, as always, we'll have fun. So join me, let's go.
Roll it, roll it, roll it on the table. Yes. Right after that, you're gonna do the same trick on the other side. You're gonna roll it, roll it, roll it. Right, it's unrolling itself. There you go. So they're gonna meet in the middle, like what husband and wife do, or boyfriend and girlfriend meet halfway, right? To make things work. And happy Valentine's Day to each and everyone. I hope you're having fun in this morning. So you're gonna do right now is to split it into middle, right? Like what exes do, separate ways. And then you're gonna put it, the first thing, just gonna, the body of the animal, you can put it in the oven and bake it for a moment and then have a little waltz with your loved ones. So for this one, the second part, all you need is the face towel, right? It's a face towel. Hand towel, my bad. It's been a long time since I've been in housekeeping, so my memory is a little bit rusty. So all you have to do is to roll it, roll it, roll it on the river. Yes. Then you're gonna have a little sword or carrot. I don't know what it looks like. Then you're gonna make a twirly twirl. There you go. I don't know what is it. It looks like a heart to me. What do you think it is, ladies and gentlemen? Lucky guess. A rabbit. Let's see how it goes. Is it a rabbit? Miss Renalyn is shaking right now. I think this is her first time. Don't worry, it's not gonna hurt. There you go. You're gonna roll it, roll it, roll it. Then you're gonna tuck it in, nice and sexy. There you go. Ooh, I think this is the face. Then you're gonna put some eye sticker so they can see things. There you go. And it's a rabbit. Let's give her a round of applause. You nervous? Yeah. Oh, first time as well. So let's give him a round of applause. It's not easy to face a lot of people doing some work. It's gonna distract you. There you go. So for the first thing you need is a bath towel. You're gonna lay it down one more time, nice and easy. Then you're gonna make 2 folds from the top backwards, the top and the bottom as well. Then same thing, roll it, roll it, roll it on the table. There you go, professionals. Then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Hurry, 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 a dream. Okay, I think this is gonna be the body, first part. The second part, you need a hand towel. Fold it into half. And then you're gonna make a little triangle. There you go, like this. Let's show them. Yeah, like a little house. And then you're gonna flip it like a pancake. And then you're gonna roll from the bottom part. There you go. All the way to the top. And then you're gonna close them together. There you go. What do you think it is? Which one? Bear. Yes, it's a bear.
Alpha, Alpha, Alpha. Take 15, Solar Center Line. Alpha, Alpha, Alpha. Take 15, Solar.
Hello, sir. How are you feeling today? Excited. Ooh, this is the first time doing this with everyone.
Yeah, on this first.
Oh, let's give him a round of applause one more time. So for this one, you're gonna need 2 hand towels. And for the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it in the middle.
Again folded.
Make a triangle. There you go, like a French toast. Yum, yum. And then you're gonna get the other one. Gonna do the same thing. Fold it. First square and then another triangle. So we're gonna make waffle this time. Yes. Then you're gonna roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. There you go, like a croissant. There you go. Ooh, this one is a new one. Then after you roll it, you're gonna fold it into the middle. And then you're gonna combine it like the triangle thingy. You're gonna wrap it up. Yes, like a big hug. Big warm hug. Oh yes. Oh, that was fast. What do you think it is? A towel. Yes, I know it's a towel. You got me there, eh? It's a drunk penguin. Cannot stand on its own. There you go. front for you now. How are you all doing, by the way? Everyone okay? Yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day out here, isn't it? Well, I'm Mark, and helping me today we have David and Nico over there. And this is our horse race game. So we have our little horse race map here. So very, very simple game. We're going to just pit you against each other. We're going to ask 6 of you to hold a horse. We have the horses ready to go in a moment, and you have to make it from one end of the track to the other. Easy. It could not be simpler, and we're playing for some wonderful Royal Caribbean prizes. Very good, very good. Who's number 1? Where are you? No, number 1, your Blaze. Very good. Horse number 2 is Sunny. Horse 3 is Bob. Horse 4.
It's second place so far. Number 4. It's moving.
4, that's Twilight.
2 spaces for Twilight.
Wow, Bob.
Is the winner.
Very good.
Everybody for Bob.
That's it, Bob. That was a nice horse sound.
Hi guys, I am dressed all ready for Valentine's Day celebrations on board in my pink and white. The dress code for today is red and white. I hope pink and white will do. I love this. I bought it on my last cruise here on Royal Caribbean and I absolutely love this dress. And let's see what we get up to. We've already done lots of fun stuff today. I participated in a little bit of the childish fun horse race thing, and which I lost, but that's fine. And then we just went to grab some pizza and tacos for lunch. And let's see what all we do today. We still have the balloon drop in the evening, but we'll probably have dinner before that, and let's see what else we get up to on this wonderful day 5 of sea. According to the captain, tomorrow morning at 7:40-ish, we should be about halfway across the Atlantic. So not quite halfway of these beautiful views, still plenty to come.
Very shortly, everybody, but of course, good evening. It is Friday night,
ask you a question first. Are you having a great cruise so far? It's absolutely awesome. It really, really is. It's great to see so many of you here on the Royal Promenade tonight. And because tonight, of course, and today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. That's why we're here right now. Yes. And in just a moment, we're going to have the biggest balloon drop right here. We're all ready set to go for that. Right here, right now. Are you ready for the balloon drop? Me too. Let's get it started. We're going to do a huge countdown from 10 all the way to 0. Let's get it started, everybody. Here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy Valentine's Day! Wow, there it goes. Love is in the air.
All right, hi guys. It was another wonderful sea day yesterday. I think we didn't get up too much after our day activities. We went to have dinner at the Coastal Kitchen. It was Valentine's Day, so I got a rose from the Coastal Kitchen, and then while we were dining in there, the captain and his senior officers came and handed out even more roses. So I got 2 beautiful roses for Valentine's Day, which was just a super special and fun touch. And then after dinner, we watched the balloon drop. There was a band playing. They were playing all kinds of Valentine's Day themed songs, and then the balloons dropped and everybody started popping them. That was a whole lot of fun. If my voice sounds like I've been screaming all night, it's true, because we met a fun Canadian couple and we went with them to Blaze, to the nightclub. And well, you know, when you go to a nightclub, the music's loud, but you still want to talk to your friends. So I've been shouting all night, talking to them. So now my voice needs some time to recover, but such a fun night, such a fun day. It's the first time that we've ever spent Valentine's Day on board the ship, and they definitely made it super special. So a whole lot of fun. We made some new friends, which is always fun. And then let's see what we get up to on our day 6. So stay tuned for that. Bye guys.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.